Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ford Bronco Sport. First, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake completely to prevent any movement. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step helps stabilize the vehicle before you begin lifting it. Next, it's essential to identify the correct jack points on your Ford Bronco Sport. These are typically reinforced areas, often along the pinch welds or specific frame points. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for exact diagrams and locations. Using the wrong spot can damage your vehicle or cause instability. Proper placement ensures a safe and effective lift. Now let's lift the vehicle. Position your floor jack directly and squarely under the designated jack point. Ensure the jack saddle makes full contact. Slowly and steadily pump the jack handle, watching the vehicle rise. Only lift the Bronco Sport high enough so the tire you're working on clears the ground. Avoid overlifting, which can compromise stability. Once the vehicle is lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the frame rails near your working area. These stands provide crucial secondary support. Slowly lower the Ford Bronco Sport onto the jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. After your work is done, raise the vehicle slightly. Remove the stands and then fully lower it, removing the wheel chocks last.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.